In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix website how to create menu tabs with drop-down pages. To get started, open your Wix website and go into the Edit Site area so you can make changes to your page layout and navigation. This is where you'll be able to add and organize the menu that visitors will use to move around your site. If you're building a clean, professional website, drop-down menus are a great way to keep everything organized without overcrowding the header. Once you're inside the editor, go to the top left corner and click Add. This is where Wix stores all the content and design elements you can place onto your site. After that, click Elements. Inside the Elements section, look for the search option and type in Menu. This will help you quickly find the menu tools without needing to browse through everything manually. At this point, you can choose a menu template that matches the style of your website. Wix usually offers several designs, so pick one that fits your layout and branding. If you want a little more flexibility, you can also choose the option to create a custom menu instead. Either choice works, so it really depends on whether you want something fast and ready-made or something more tailored to your design. After adding the menu to your page, click directly on the menu itself. When you do that, you should see menu-related settings appear. From there, click Manage Menu at the top. This is the main area where you'll organize your menu items and create the drop-down structure. Now for the key part. To create a drop-down, click and drag one menu item and place it slightly below another menu item. When you move one page under another in the menu manager, Wix will turn it into a subpage, which creates the drop-down effect automatically. This is a simple but powerful way to build navigation that looks clean and works well for visitors. You can also hover over each menu item and click the three-dot icon to open more options. This gives you additional controls for managing the pages in your menu, which can be helpful when you want to fine-tune how everything appears. Take a moment to review the structure after arranging your items so your navigation stays clear and easy to use. A well-organized menu helps visitors find what they need faster and gives your website a more polished feel. And that's it. That's how you create menu tabs with drop-down pages in Wix.